Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington for Tuesday, May 30th, 2017. Here's a quick overview of what we will discuss during the briefing. First, the threat of thunderstorms tonight, then an update on the main stem river flooding, and then briefly talk about the unsettled weather for the remainder of the week. Here's a look at the forecast high temperatures for today, May 30th. This is the warmest day of the year so far, with temperatures peaking 15 to almost 20 degrees above normal. A cold front will sweep across the region overnight, bringing widespread chance of showers and thunderstorms. The main threat with these storms will be strong gusty winds, as high as 50 miles per hour during the onset of these storms. That will likely lead to areas of blowing dust over the lower Columbia Basin. The heaviest rain is expected to remain near the Cascades and Okanogan Highlands, where as much as a quarter to a half an inch could fall overnight. These storms will be moving quickly, so we don't anticipate a flash flood risk, but it will be something we will watch closely overnight. To walk you through what we expect to happen overnight, here's a simulated radar image for 7 p.m. this evening. You can see the strongest showers and thunderstorms are developing near the Tri-Cities area. At 9 p.m., the line of storms spread north and east, and by 11, the first line of storms begins to weaken while more showers and thunderstorms develop over the lower Columbia Basin. Then at 1 a.m., the cold front begins to sweep through the region, sending all the showers and thunderstorms to the northern part of Washington and Idaho. As I mentioned earlier, the main threat with these storms is strong gusty winds. This is an animated GIF of the wind speeds expected as the storms progress from the Tri-Cities up to northern Washington and Idaho. You can see the sharp wind shift to the southwest. It is possible that this gust front could produce blowing dust and reduce visibility. And here's an update to the region's snowpack, which indicates the mountains are all still running above normal. There is still plenty of snow to melt in the higher elevation mountains for this time of year. A couple of sites here to show the melting snow in North Idaho. The black line is the observed snow level compared to the green line, which is the average snowpack. Generally, no snow is left below 5,000 feet. And here are a few locations in the Cascades. This is the primary contributor to the increased flows in the main stem rivers. These polygons highlight where we currently have flood warnings and watches in effect. Remember that flood forecasts are updated at least once per day by the River Forecast Center, so please check back for the latest forecast. Let's take a quick tour around the region. The first location is the Okanogan River near Tonasket, where river levels are expected to rise to moderate flood stage by Thursday evening. The Stehekin River is also under a flood warning, where waters will continue to rise to minor flood stage through midweek before falling down below minor flood stage over the weekend. The last warning is valid for the Methow River, where it's expected to rise above minor flood stage overnight tonight. For the Kettle River near Curlew, the river is expected to just barely touch minor flood stage tonight and tomorrow. Right now, a flood watch is in effect. Similarly, the Entiat River near Ardenvoir will crest near minor flood stage during the week and will subside by the weekend. Quick overview of the remainder of the work week. Expect temperatures to return close to normal with showers and thunderstorms possible mainly over northeast Washington and the Idaho Panhandle. Thursday will be the best chance of precipitation to the region. Take another quick tour around the region to show you how the temperatures will drop significantly from today's highs and remain closer to normal through the week. And Lewiston and Sandpoint, the best chances of rain are Thursday. In Spokane and Moses Lake, you can see the same temperature curve through the week. Overnight tonight and Thursday will be the best chances for rain. Likewise in Wenatchee and Omak. The 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center for the inland Northwest suggests above average temperatures and below average precipitation for June 6th through June 12th. And here's a recap. Again, please check weather.gov/Spokane for the most up-to-date forecast, and be sure to follow and interact with us on social media.